welcome to the Kitchen Gypsy. So today we are going to make chicken parmesan, a healthier version of chicken parmesan. So we're gonna start off with our ingredients. So we have our chopped onions with parsley, and I put natural herbs and sweet basil. We have our dry ingredients, which is a combination of Italian seasoning, parsley, oregano, black pepper, chicken bouillon, whole bay leaf, more black pepper because I like to use both the one that you grind into it and the powder. And for our wet ingredients, we have our red wine vinegar, and our honey, and we have chunk tomatoes and tomato sauce. So
what is the proportions of the sauce, the chunk to the sauce?
Okay, so in this one I put 1 can of the diced tomatoes, and I actually use 2 cans of the tomato sauce because these are smaller. These are only 8 ounces. So you can either use 1-to-1 if you find it in the same size, or you can use 2 of the little ones. And all the list of ingredients and the amounts is gonna be on the list, so you'll have that. Okay, so we can start putting our stuff in, and we're gonna start with these, with the onions, and get a stir fry going. Oh, and that smells good already.
So you're making the sauce from scratch?
Yes. And while we're waiting for the onions to start cooking down, we're gonna go ahead and start making the chicken. So we have the chicken here. It's in an egg wash. Used the gluten-free plain panko or breadcrumbs, but there's no gluten in it, so it makes it a lot healthier. And I already pre-measured. In it I put, for my dry ingredients, it was the breadcrumbs, black pepper, parsley, Italian seasoning, and oregano.
So that doesn't look the same as the breadcrumbs?
No, because I seasoned it myself. So if you want to see what it looks like inside the can, that's what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
And with this, we're just going to take the chicken and bread it.
Yeah, that does a nice coating on there.
Yeah. And remember, this is actually guilt-free because we're not putting any oil in it. And the egg wash is just that, just eggs.
I love that. Very keto friendly.
I can hear the onions cooking, so that's good. I think by the time we get these in the EOC, then the onions should be about ready for the next step. And now we're ready to go ahead and put this in the EOC, but first I need to put some hands off.
What is an EOC?
It's an electric oil pour skillet. So what it does is it has, inside of it, it has oil, so that as it heats up, you don't have to worry about it. You can fry food without using actual oil because the oil's already inside of the pan. And
So it gets it super hot.
Yeah. So right now I have it on 350, and you're gonna hear the sizzle when I put it on.
And you don't need to use Pam or anything like that in there?
Nope.
Are those easy to clean?
Yeah. Very easy. And then I put the lid on and I leave it open because it allows the air to go through, and that's what actually fries it. So if I put the lid on all the way like that, then it bakes it. But if I leave it like that, then it fries it. And so we'll set a timer for 10 minutes. And then we'll check back. In the meantime, so I should have mixed it a little sooner, but that's okay. It'll just give it a little bit of a smoky flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and improvise and put some of the wet ingredients in.
Oh, it smells good already.
Thank you. And then we're gonna dump in the rest of our dry ingredients. Give it one last good mix. And then we're gonna lower the heat. Now with this, this one is called a workforce skillet, and what happens with these is you have to actually have enough liquid to go up to there, but since we don't, we're not gonna put the lid on all the way. We're just gonna have it slightly open because you have to have your ratios correct. If not, then it'll actually burn the food, if that makes any sense.
When using Salad Master?
When using Salad Master.
Okay.
Okay, so with the EOC, you want to just take a fork and go underneath it, and if it lifts up easily, then you know it's ready. If it sticks to the pan, then that means it's not ready to be flipped. And then after this, we'll put the lid back on and let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then it'll be done. Okay, so we're gonna check on our chicken, and that looks like it's about done. And we're just gonna pull them out. The sauce should be about ready. smells good.
I can see, you still see the herbs inside of it. That looks wonderful.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. And then you put it right there.
Delicious.
Then you can just take your plates and make your plate and enjoy with your family.